Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome to my channel. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click on that subscribe button down below to join the family. All right, so in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys along with me as I make breakfast, okay? And it's not just any breakfast, it's our authentic Nigerian breakfast. That sounds nice, right? So for today's breakfast I'm going to be making akara and custard. Delicioso. Oh my god. If you're from Nigeria and you have tasted these two combinations, please raise your hands in the comment section below. All right, I've already brought out the things I need for this recipe. Please make sure you check the description box below because I'm going to be leaving some links and more information there. Okay, I've brought out the things I'll be needing, and as you saw earlier, I just sliced some onion, chopped one scotch bonnet pepper, and that white stuff you're seeing in the bowl is my beans. Basically, akara is a dish made from peeled beans, then blended into a thick batter and fried in some vegetable oil, and some people like to fry it in palm oil, but I like to fry mine with some vegetable oil. So I've already washed my beans. Like I said before, make sure you check the description box below if you want to see how to peel and wash the beans. So I've just blended the beans, and now I'm going to be mixing it with a hand mixer. This will help to thicken up the batter and to make it look more fluffier. I also have a recipe on how to fry akara, a detailed one, so if you want you can as well check that out. The link will be in the description box below. So I've just added the sliced onion and the chopped scotch bonnet pepper. I added some salt, and I'm going to be adding one seasoning cube to give it a very nice taste. I like to keep mine very simple. I don't like to add too many ingredients. So the final ingredient I'm going to be adding is the paprika powder. I'm going to mix everything together, then I will start frying. So I'm going to place my frying pan on the gas cooker, and I'm going to add just enough oil to fry the akara. So while the oil is heating up, I'm going to start cleaning up some stuffs. Like I said before, it's going to be a cooking and cleaning video, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to be cleaning up some stuffs while I wait for the oil to get hot. So this is what I do sometimes when I'm cooking. I like to clean as I go, you know. If I leave everything there, everywhere is just going to be cluttered, and I hate seeing that. But this is not what I do every time. I do it when I feel like, and it really makes me happy when I see my kitchen very neat, you know, looking very nice and neat. So I checked on my oil and it's hot. Then I started scooping in the batter into the oil, and I'm just going to be flipping it over to make sure everything cooks evenly. Now I'm just going to let that fry, and I'm going to boil some water for our custard. We are going to be making some custard like I said before. So while the water is boiling, I'm going to check on my akara again. So this first batch of akara has fried really well, as you can see, and I'm just taking it out from the oil, and I'm now going to be frying the second batch. I fried in 2 batches because I was using a small pan. So now I'm going to bring out my custard. I'm using Birds. That's the brand of custard we are using. So I'm going to add the quantity that will be okay for us in the bowl. So I just added some water to it, mix it up, to get it ready for when I'm going to pour hot water over it. So now my akara is done, and I just took it out from the oil, and this is the custard. This is the consistency I want. I'm just going to keep pouring hot water. This is boiled hot water, guys. So I'm going to keep pouring it over while I keep stirring it. Once it starts to thicken up like so, I'm going to stop adding hot water. Then I'm going to mix it up immediately so that it doesn't develop lumps in it. And this is exactly how I like my custard. Not too thick, not too light, just in between like so. So my custard is ready. I just set that aside, and I'm going to continue with my cleaning. Now the oil has cooled down, and I'm going to transfer it into a container for future use and keep cleaning. I'm just going to clean up everything, and then we'll move over to the taste test. Who is waiting for that part? I can't wait to eat my akara and custard. I'm so hungry at this point. I am so hungry. Yay! Finally, we are done cleaning. It is time to eat. I just added a teaspoon of coconut oil to that custard, 2 tablespoons of honey, and this is my pig milk peak milk powder. I ran out of the liquid one, so I'm going to be creating the liquid by myself. I just added 2.5 tablespoons of that, mix it with hot water, and I'm going to pour it over the custard, and there you have your custard and milk on top. My god, this combination, god, you need to try it. So if you haven't tried this combination, it is so good. So it's time for the taste test, or the time we have been waiting for. Look at that deliciousness. Oh my goodness. Can you see the inside of the akara? Tell me that you are not craving for this now. Just tell me you are not craving for this. Alright guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you really do, don't forget to like it, share it if you want to, subscribe like I said before if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.